Hi guys, this is just a quick video to show these two trades. Um, Jason asked me to do it, so I'm gonna try and show because it seems to be strange. I now have a short trade from here to here. Just it's I'm testing the range. Forget about this trade now, okay? Just concentrate on these two. So, getting back to what we had before, uh, I like to put it in orange. It's relaxing. Okay, let's see daily. Let's put these 17. Okay. Okay. So we had a bottom there. Trying to see, like, if I was here. He had a turtle soup here. You see bottom, high, bottom. If you look at on a lower time frame, okay, you see here came down, took the stops, then came back again, took the stops. So I was looking at these two candles as an order block, and it came back, retested, and it went up, went down, went up. Curiously, short, this move is probably symmetrical. No, it isn't. Anyway, I was looking for a hit here around this level to go long, and I was looking on the first trade to this close, to close in this gap here, and then on the other trade I was looking, I was looking to hit this order block there. So the first trade I was looking to get here, and then the second I was looking to get there. So this is the 4 hours. Let's go into the 15 minutes. So I'm waiting for price to come here. Look, 30 to 30. Looking for price to come here to my level. And it does. It touches my level and it's rejected. And as it's rejected, it breaks structure. There. Let's put this on a thinner line, or let's change the color. Let's put okay, let's put gold. That's ugly. Let's put a different color. Let's put let's put a light green. Okay, structure is broken there. So what do? I wait for it to come back to my level, and I see, well, the levels might not. There's an order block there, so I could be looking at an entry between these levels. It still goes down more. So now I change strategy because I don't remember what day of the week this was. So okay, we're still on the level. Let's put a remember, I'm looking for a reversal in this order block here. 30 minutes, 15. So where is it? Okay, price comes back in. It's rejected. I could have taken a loss here, but for some reason I didn't enter. I can't remember. But anyway, the thing I was telling you about just before happens here again. So I see this liquidity void here, and I'm thinking this might be a good reason for it to take out, for it to start to move up. At the same time, we're getting here this clean level of stops, so like that. So I'm thinking price is gonna come up here, and it could close in this gap here. Also, we had clean stops there. Okay, let's clean it. So here we're at London Open. See this line here, London Open, and we could go into 15 minutes now. London Open, it's here. And go down into this level. Now I didn't wait because I saw this huge move down and I thought it's going to move up, and then by New York it went lower. So the levels Jason is asking about is this. Oops, I accidentally moved. Let's put, I don't know if it was 30 or probably 35 to be below that low. I can't remember how much it was. So what I did was this: I put red here, and then I looked into where it went into the gap. Remember, I don't have anything. We don't have any. Oops, we don't have anything here. Let's take this. This is one box. Let me take the fib off. And this was a news day. I remember this was a news day because I had guys on TradingView saying that I was crazy. Well, I have 3 boxes here. I'm trying to select one of them. I hate this software. It's really crappy. Okay, I got 2 boxes. So let's just change the color so we can decipher them and see more or less. Okay, so that was what I was looking for. The exit was there, just below the box. So I remember this was a news day, and I should have I should have exited when it oops, when it cleaned uh, these highs here. Should have exited there. I didn't because I was looking for this move up here. So we had another optimal trade entry here, but I didn't enter that one because I went into the negative there just for 3 candles. But if you had moved from here to here, you know, you had another entry there. So I kept it going until it got there. Now let's just move. So now let's go into the 30. Okay, my target on this gap gets hit. It goes above a little bit, and it's not it's in fact it's not a little bit. I can show you how it didn't go a little bit. It was almost precise. It went 20 pips above, 25 pips above, and the gap there. Up, and it went 10 pips above the gap. So that's the crazy stuff. But anyway, I finished this one with 133 pips. Now I'm waiting for a retracement, and I see lows here. So I'm looking for it to come down and continue up. Actually, and again, I didn't wait. What I did, I put the fib here. I entered there. Candles came down. I entered there. This was at midnight. It wasn't at London. Jason was exactly at midnight. Price started coming down, and I said, okay, it's now the movement. So here you can see this little red line there. That's where my stop was. So here I had a really small stop, 15 pips. And remember, I put the order above the market, so the candle was going down. Candles are going down, and then I put the order above the market. So then okay, 1, 2, and now I'm looking for the other high. Remember, for the one above, for the line above the order block, above, just above this gap here, because it has filled in the gap. Let's see, one more. Exit just half before it hits that level. So it was 15 pips. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5.5, 1 to 5.5. and again, just like it happened here on the bigger time frame, it came down, almost took me out at New York, but it didn't. And then it went up and it took me out in profit there for 94 pips. Okay, so by this moment I'm seeing we've got these clean highs here. Let's change this to orange. See, I have these cleans high here, so once I get over that, I'm quite comfortable that it will get there. And again, you want to see how much it went up after the level. 16 pips. This was the stop hunt. So then I thought, look, it just went to the 200 extension. So now I'm just trying to grab a short down to this order block here, to the breaker. Just a small trade. $24 pips. So it wasn't. It's not Asia, because Asia hadn't finished. You see here the gray area. That's Asia. So here it wasn't Asia. I drew these by hand. I looked at these levels. I almost got stopped there. And that's it. That was the trade. These two trades. I put the exit a little bit before, just before the level, though I'm getting comfortable in putting it 10 pips after the level. But anyway, this is what's happening. Okay, hope I was able to explain. It's just there, but well, if I had done it during the trades, I probably would have more information. But basically, these are the lines I had. Looking for a hit down on your order block. I could have taken a loss there. I don't know. I don't remember why I didn't enter there. That would be a place where I would probably enter. Okay, I didn't enter there because there was no break of structure. I think that was it. There was a break here, but this wasn't broken. But then again, this wasn't broken. I'd have to say what I was thinking at the time. It's kind of hard, but well, came back, rejected. That was it, and that was it. So I think hope it explains it. Bye.